Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey to create a clean and tidy home that sparks joy, especially for our cherished seniors and those who may face physical challenges. Remember, creating a welcoming and comfortable living space is a wonderful act of self-care, no matter your age or ability. We all deserve to live in a home that brings us peace and happiness. In this video, we will explore 30 simple yet effective cleaning tips that are gentle on your body but powerful in making your home a more joyful and comfortable place to be. Let's tidy up together and rediscover the joy in a clean and organized home. Our first tip focuses on being kind to our bodies while we clean. Choosing lightweight cleaning tools can make a world of difference. Heavy tools can strain our hands and wrists, making cleaning feel like a chore. Instead, look for tools made from lightweight materials like aluminum or plastic. These days, there are so many options available that are both lightweight and durable. You'll be surprised by how much easier cleaning becomes when your tools work with you, not against you. Next, let's talk about those hard-to-reach places that gather dust and make us sigh. Instead of straining or using a step stool, a long-handled duster can become your new best friend. With a gentle sweep, you can banish dust bunnies from high shelves, ceiling fans, and those delicate light fixtures without overexerting yourself. Imagine the satisfaction of reaching those tricky spots with ease, knowing that your home is becoming cleaner and fresher with every movement. Choose a duster with a washable head to make it even more sustainable and long-lasting, bringing you joy for years to come. The robot vacuum, a modern marvel that sparks joy in even the tidiest of homes. Imagine a helper that cleans your floors while you relax. These compact companions pick up dust, crumbs, and pet hair, schedule cleanings, or target specific areas with ease. Free up your time and energy for what sparks joy. Create a space that supports your well-being. Embrace technology and let a robot vacuum help. Your home will be cleaner and you'll have more time. Sometimes, the simplest tools can bring the most profound changes to our lives. The Reacher Grabber tool is a testament to thoughtful design. Have you ever struggled to pick up a dropped item? With a Reacher Grabber tool, these challenges become distant memories. This tool extends your reach, allowing you to retrieve items with ease. No more unnecessary bending or stretching. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can safely reach for items. This tool empowers you to maintain a tidy home without straining. The Reacher Grabber tool makes tidying a joyful experience. Creating a clean bathroom should be a joyful experience, not a demanding task. A shower chair can transform your routine, making it easier and more enjoyable. Imagine settling into a comfortable shower chair, allowing yourself to relax. With a gentle scrub, you can easily reach every corner without straining. This simple addition promotes both physical comfort and peace of mind. Have you ever considered the humble mop? It's a tool designed to make our lives easier, yet many struggle with lifting and wringing out a heavy, soaked mop head. This is where a mop with a built-in wringer becomes your new best friend. These mops allow you to control the moisture level, ensuring you don't oversaturate your floors while saving your energy and reducing strain. Imagine gliding through your home, leaving sparkling clean floors in your wake. Remember to choose a mop with a comfortable grip and a bucket size that's manageable for you. Does this spark joy? It certainly does for me. It's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a space where you feel comfortable and at peace. The dishwasher, a true embodiment of efficiency and cleaning power. Many people see the dishwasher as simply a place to stack dirty dishes, but it is so much more than that. Think of your dishwasher as a partner in keeping your kitchen tidy. It allows you to spend less time scrubbing and more time doing the things that bring you joy. Before you start, make sure to scrape off any large food scraps. Let's show our dishwashers some love. Then, load your dishes carefully, ensuring each item is secure and has space for water to flow. Remember, a clean and organized dishwasher reflects a calm and collected mind. So, embrace the magic of your dishwasher and let it bring a little more joy into your life. Now let's talk about decluttering. We often hold on to items out of obligation or fear, but these items can weigh us down both physically and emotionally. Remember, our homes should be a sanctuary, a reflection of who we are and what we love. Decluttering is not about discarding everything, but about surrounding ourselves with items that spark joy. Start small. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or one corner of a room. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my life today? If the answer is no, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. You'll be surprised by the sense of lightness and clarity that comes with letting go of what no longer serves you. Have you ever considered the humble laundry basket? It's a workhorse in our homes, quietly carrying the weight of our laundry. But for some, lifting and carrying a heavy basket can spark anxiety. This is where a laundry basket on wheels becomes a true hero. Imagine this: you effortlessly glide your laundry from room to room, a gentle push the only effort required. No more strain, no more worry. Choosing a basket with a sturdy handle and smooth rolling wheels will spark joy with each use. Remember, even the simplest tasks can be transformed into moments of peace and tranquility with the right tools. This small change can make a world of difference in your tidying festival. A clean home is a happy home, but the thought of maneuvering a heavy vacuum cleaner can sometimes feel daunting. Remember, cleaning should not feel like a burden. Let me introduce you to the joy of a lightweight vacuum cleaner. These nimble helpers are easy to lift and carry, making them perfect for navigating stairs, furniture, and all those nooks and crannies. When choosing a lightweight vacuum, consider its suction power and attachments. Look for a model that speaks to your heart and cleaning needs. Remember, a clean home should bring you joy, not strain. With a lightweight vacuum cleaner as your ally, you can face those dust bunnies with a smile, knowing that cleaning can be a truly joyful experience. Now that we have explored the magic of individual cleaning tools, let's talk about keeping them organized. A well-organized space is a key element of the KonMari method. Imagine a cleaning caddy, your faithful companion neatly storing all your cleaning essentials. No more searching for misplaced sprays or sponges. A dedicated caddy allows you to move from room to room with ease and purpose. Choose a caddy that sparks joy when you look at it, perhaps one with multiple compartments or even wheels for effortless transport. Remember, even the most mundane tasks deserve a touch of intention and joy. By giving your cleaning supplies a designated home, you create a sense of order and calm. This simple act of organization can transform your cleaning routine into a more mindful and joyful experience. Oh, the simple joy of pre-moistened cleaning wipes. These little helpers are wonderful for quick cleanups in hard-to-reach areas. Everything you need is right at your fingertips in one convenient package. Keep a container in the bathroom, kitchen, and by your bedside table. Even a small act of tidying can bring peace and accomplishment. Sometimes, reaching those higher shelves or cleaning those cobwebbed corners can feel daunting. But don't worry, a sturdy step stool with a handle is here to help. It's like having a supportive friend by your side. Choose a stable step stool with a handle for safety. Remember, safety is our top priority. You did it! Reach new heights with joy and confidence. For those little messes that pop up unexpectedly, a handheld vacuum is a true blessing. These compact cleaning companions are lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick cleanups on furniture, upholstery, and car seats. Imagine a small spill on the sofa, a few stray hairs on the rug, or a bit of dust on your favorite bookshelf. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you simply grab your handheld vacuum, and with a few gentle motions, the mess is gone. The feeling of lightness you experience when you release yourself from clutter extends to these small cleaning tasks. Having the right tools to address these little messes as they arise can prevent them from becoming big burdens later on. Remember, tidying is not just about the big picture, it's about appreciating and caring for all the things that bring us joy in our homes, even the seemingly insignificant ones. Keeping our homes tidy sparks joy, and this includes caring for our beloved pets. Now, even cleaning a litter box can be a more joyful experience with the help of a self-cleaning litter box. Imagine, no more scooping. These innovative litter boxes do the work for you, automatically sifting out clumps and depositing them into a waste receptacle. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures a cleaner environment for both you and your feline friend. Choosing a self-cleaning litter box is an act of kindness towards yourself. It simplifies your cleaning routine while providing your cat with a consistently clean and hygienic space. Remember, a tidy home filled with love and joy extends to every member of the family, even our furry companions. Just as every item in our home deserves a designated space, so do our trusty cleaning supplies. When we give them a dedicated home, we create calmness and order, making cleaning a more enjoyable experience. Imagine opening a cabinet and finding each cleaning product neatly arranged, ready to tackle any task. No more rummaging through cluttered shelves, feeling overwhelmed. Instead, you'll feel a sense of peace and control. Start by decluttering your cleaning products, keeping only those that truly spark joy and are frequently used. In the world of cleaning, there are tools that simply spark more joy than others. The microfiber cloth is one such tool, a simple yet incredibly effective companion in our tidying journey. The magic of microfiber lies in its unique structure. Its tiny fibers, finer than a human hair, reach into every nook and cranny, capturing dust, dirt, and grime with ease. Even more remarkably, microfiber often requires only water to work its magic, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Imagine wiping down surfaces and seeing them gleam with newfound radiance. The gentle touch of microfiber, combined with its impressive cleaning power, makes it a true joy to use. It's like giving your home a spa treatment, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Oh, the steam cleaner. Such a versatile tool that brings a sense of deep clean and freshness to your home. Imagine the gentle yet powerful touch of steam lifting away dirt and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling. Steam cleaners are wonderful for refreshing bathrooms and kitchens, those spaces that deserve a little extra care. They can even be used to refresh upholstery and curtains, bringing new life to your beloved belongings. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific steam cleaner. And as you clean, visualize the steam purifying your home, creating a space that sparks joy and tranquility. Let's talk about the toilet, a space that deserves our attention and care. While it may not spark the same joy as a tidy bookshelf, a clean toilet brings a sense of freshness and hygiene to your bathroom. A toilet wand, with its disposable cleaning heads, makes this task so much easier. The disposable heads are hygienic and efficient, allowing you to simply discard them after each use. Remember to choose a toilet wand that feels comfortable to hold and maneuver. And as you clean, visualize yourself creating a bathroom sanctuary, a space of peace and rejuvenation. Ah, the cordless vacuum cleaner, a true embodiment of freedom and flexibility in cleaning. Imagine effortlessly gliding through your home, no longer tethered by cords or restricted by outlets. Cordless vacuums are a blessing for those who value ease of movement and convenience. They are perfect for quick cleanups and for maintaining those high-traffic areas in your home. When choosing a cordless vacuum, consider the weight and battery life to ensure it suits your needs and energy levels. Remember, cleaning should be an act of care for ourselves and our homes, not a burden. Have you ever noticed how a well-organized drawer can spark so much joy? A cleaning schedule can bring that same peace to your routine. Create a simple schedule to spread out tasks over time. Clean a little each day to make it manageable. Find joy in tidying, not burden. Make your home a place of comfort and serenity. Let's talk about windows, those portals to the outside world. When they sparkle, they truly spark joy, don't they? But achieving that streak-free shine can sometimes feel elusive. This is where a squeegee becomes your cleaning ally. With its simple design, it effectively removes cleaning solution and dirt, leaving your windows sparkling clean. Holding it lightly, start from the top, and glide it down in smooth, even strokes. You might be surprised by the satisfying feeling of watching the dirt disappear with each pass. It's like wiping away not just grime but also any lingering negativity, allowing light and positivity to fill your home. Remember to clean your squeegee after each use, ensuring it's ready to help you create that spark of joy every time you clean your windows. Tidying should never come at the expense of your well-being. Bending and straining can make cleaning feel burdensome, but there are tools that can make it easier. A dustpan with a long handle, for instance, can be a true blessing. Imagine sweeping up crumbs or dust bunnies without having to bend over repeatedly. This simple tool allows you to maintain an upright posture, reducing strain on your back. It's these small adjustments that can make a world of difference in how you experience cleaning. As you sweep dirt into the dustpan, visualize sweeping away any stress or discomfort. Feel the joy of maintaining a clean and tidy home while taking care of your body. Remember, tidying should bring peace and order, not strain or pain. Cleaning is a rewarding task, a chance to create a calm and joyful space. But just like our bodies need rest after a mindful yoga session, so too do we need breaks when tidying. Remember, cleaning should not feel like a burden. If you find yourself becoming tired or achy, pause and take a moment for yourself. Sit down with a cup of calming herbal tea, or step outside for a moment to breathe in the fresh air. These moments of pause allow you to return to your cleaning with renewed energy and a joyful heart. It's about cherishing your home and respecting your own well-being. After all, a clean and tidy home should spark joy, not exhaustion. As we embark on our tidying journey, let's talk about a simple yet effective tool. The cleaning apron. Much like a carpenter cherishes their tool belt, a cleaning apron keeps your essential tools within reach, ready to spark joy in every corner. Imagine this. You're wiping down surfaces, and you need your trusty microfiber cloth. Instead of searching high and low, It's right there in your apron pocket, ready to embrace the task. A cleaning apron doesn't just hold your tools, it holds your intention. It signals to yourself and your home that you are ready to create a space of serenity and order. And just like the items we choose to keep in our homes, select an apron that sparks joy when you wear it. Choose a color that brightens your day, a fabric that feels gentle against your skin. Don't forget the invisible dust in the air. Declutter for calm, purify the air. HEPA filters capture tiny particles. They act like a fine mesh, clean surfaces and purify air, essential for those with dust allergies. Enjoy fresh, clean air and a tidy space. Cleaning windows can be physically demanding. The reaching, the stretching, the constant need to move. Just like robotic vacuums, window cleaning robots are here to help. They make cleaning easy, especially for seniors. Enjoy sparkling clean windows without lifting a finger. Sweeping can be challenging as we age or face mobility issues, but modern brooms have evolved to meet our needs. Lightweight brooms are a perfect example. Made from materials like aluminum or plastic, they make sweeping easy. No more straining with heavy traditional brooms. Modern brooms have ergonomic handles and flexible bristles. Embrace the lightweight broom and enjoy sweeping. Small changes make a big difference in maintaining a clean home. Have you ever noticed how satisfying it is to check something off a list? It sparks so much joy. Using a cleaning checklist can bring that same sense of accomplishment and order to your cleaning routine. Think of your checklist as a roadmap to a tidy home, guiding you through each task and helping you track your progress. It can be as simple or detailed as you like, depending on your needs and preferences. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about creating a clean and joyful space where you can truly relax. A checklist is simply a tool to help you get there with a little more ease and a lot more joy. So embrace the power of the checklist and let it spark joy in your cleaning routine. Sometimes, even with the best intentions and tools, we may find ourselves needing a little extra help, and that's perfectly all right. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your commitment to creating a joyful and tidy home. Reaching out to a family member, friend, or professional cleaner can lighten the load and bring a fresh perspective to your cleaning routine. They can offer support, encouragement, and even some helpful tips along the way. Imagine the joy of sharing the task of tidying with someone you care about. It transforms cleaning from a chore into an opportunity for connection and shared accomplishment. So, don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Embrace the support of others and experience the joy of creating a tidy and welcoming home together. As we reach the end of our tidying journey, remember that creating a clean and joyful home is an ongoing process, not a destination. By incorporating these tips and tricks, and adapting them to your unique needs, you can create a space that truly sparks joy. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you, and most importantly, remember to be kind to yourself throughout the process. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a more joyful and tidy life. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tidying inspiration. Until next time, may your home be filled with peace, joy, and sparkling clean surfaces.